inside the trailer. And you'll see that on this side we have insulation, the first layer. Now this is only 1/2 inch R3, but we're going to add in a couple of layers of this, and then the 3/4 inch, which is R5. I also have an R8 I might be putting in here. I want to get up to at least a 12 on the walls. I've got plenty of thickness to do so. So what I want to do, because this height at the center here of the peak is only 5 feet at that peak. The back doors are at 4 foot height to the floor there, the bottom of the door. So because I am 5'4", I'm going to make this whole roof 1 foot taller. So it'll be 6 foot at the peak. It'll be 5 foot at the back, so I will still have to duck in because I don't want to redo the doors. I'm going to put a stronger header up there and then elevate that back wall by 1 foot and elevate all of this whole roof by 1 foot. So I'm going to leave that structural 2x4 on, as well as all of these they're 2x2 studs that I have here. These little pieces I placed in between here because when I did the cargo trailer, because I did not want to remove these for structural and security purposes, I added the studs to the inside. So they're attached at the floor level and then to the rail, and then through the spacers they're connected to the exterior sheeting, which is right here. So these little spacers give me a nailing surface every foot or so. These are about 1 foot apart, these little spacers, so that vertically I have a place to attach the exterior sheeting to this stud, to my vertical studs, without having a double stud there for all that weight. So the little spacer pieces that I put in minimize the weight of the trailer without it messing up its structural integrity, because the 2x4 at the top is also in line with, you see it's behind the, this stud is attached at the front of it, so that this 2x4 is at the same vertical plane as is this rail. So the exterior sheeting matches, and so the interior does as well. So what I had to do is, at each place where these purlins attach, I've used Simpson ties. These are hurricane ties, is another terminology for them. And so what I've done is I'm going to remove the entire roof. It's in 2 panels. I've got a double two runners there, 2 purlins there that are separate. So this side of the roof is actually all one piece, and then that side of the roof is all one piece joined to that one. This side of the roof is joined to this near purlin. So what I'm going to do is disconnect all the hurricane straps from the 2x4 wall, while leaving the hurricane straps attached to the purlins, so that I can lift the purlins straight off and then add a piece of the extension for the wall and extend up the vertical supports, reattach an exterior sheeting, and then drop the ceiling back on top with a new 2x4 header up another foot higher. So I'm going to make a matching header to this 1 foot higher, all the way around, back there, over here as well on these sides, and of course across the back. So I've already gone around and taken out the screw bolts. These are socket head 3/4 inch number 10s, I believe they are. They might be number 8s thickness. And some of them are 3/4 inch, the ones that are going to go through the short side of the 2x4. But then on these longer ones, these are regular 3-inch screws that go all the way through. So I've just taken off the hex heads that are going to allow me to lift this roof off. And then tomorrow I will be putting on the extension to make it a foot taller. Thanks.